Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Saving and preserving thousands of plant varieties of India, we will save humanity and the world, says President Draupadi Murmu. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurates multiple critical infrastructure projects across the states and union territories. State-level Student Science Seminar 2023 on the topic Millets, a superfood or a diet fad, held at Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides. And the Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia urged farmers to practice alternative methods of farming and gradually decrease use of chemical fertilizers. And now the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has said that it is our responsibility to safeguard the rights of the farmers and care for their future as they are Annadata, the food providers for humanity. Inaugurating the first global symposium on farmers' rights in New Delhi today, she said by safeguarding the rights of the farmers, we safeguard the future of the world, making it more brighter and prosperous. Talking about the diversity of the country, she said that India has more than 45,000 varieties of plants and widest range of spices. And by saving and preserving them, we will not only be saving humanity, but also the entire world.
There are about 45,000 species of plants, which is about 7% of world's total. In terms of biodiversity, India ranks as one of the nations endowed with widest range of plants and species. This rich biodiversity of India has been a treasure trove for the global community at large. Our farmers have toiled and enterprisingly conjured local varieties and plants.
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated 90 critical infrastructure projects developed by the Border Roads Organisation at a cost of 2,941 crore rupees in Jammu and Kashmir today. He also inaugurated the state-of-the-art 422.9-metre long Class 70 RCC Devak Bridge on the Bishna-Kolpur-Phulpur Road in Samba district. It is of strategic importance to the Defence Forces and will boost socio-economic development of the region.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हमने विशेष रूप से सीमावर्ती क्षेत्रों में विकासात्मक गतिविधियों को तेज किया है। और साथियों, आप सभी के प्रोजेक्ट्स यानी बॉर्डर रोड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के प्रोजेक्ट्स और काम करने का तरीका, इसे मैं सिविल मिलिट्री फ्यूजन का भी एक बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण मानता हूं, एक बहुत बड़ी इसे मिसाल मानता हूं।
The Director of School Education and Literacy, Swapnil Tembe, stressed on nutrition as it will help in early cognitive skills and good health. He was speaking at the state-level Student Science Seminar 2023 on the topic Millets, a seafood or a diet fad, held at Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Auditorium on Tuesday. On the same day, Sophie Malari Shisha Rantong from Little Flower Higher Secondary School was chosen to represent the state at the national level science seminar in the month of October.
There are so many benefits that Government of India, Government of Meghalaya, everyone is pushing for the promotion of millets because it's a superfood, and unfortunately it has not got the recognition it deserves. There is still lots to do, and I still remember last year when I was DC Tura, we along with the KVK, which is the Krishi Vigyan Kendra, we organized a millet mela where they came up with 40-50 varieties of products made of millets.
Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers Mansukh Mandavia has urged farmers to practice alternative methods of farming and gradually decrease the use of chemical fertilizers. Interacting with the representatives of Kisan Samruddhi Kendras virtually, Dr. Mandavia said that Kisan Samruddhi Kendras are one-stop shop for all farmers-related issues. Dr. Mandavia said that Kisan Samruddhi Kendras provide information on agri-inputs including fertilizers, seeds, soil testing facilities and information regarding various government schemes for the farmers. To commemorate the 26 years journey of the United Democratic Party, UDP on Monday observed the day by distributing essential commodities to one of the children's home located at Mausantai in Ribhoi district. During the statewide observation of 26 years anniversary, the UDP Ribhoi district marked the day by spending quality time with the children who are living in the children's home at Mausantai and also handed over essential commodities to the caretaker. And in cricket, India were 90 for 2 in the 13.5 overs against Sri Lanka in the Asia Cup 2023 Super 4 match in Colombo. Earlier, India won the toss and elected to bat. Rohit Sharma and Shubham Gill have given a steady start to Team India against Sri Lanka. Yesterday, the men in blue defeated Pakistan by record 228 runs. This was Pakistan's heaviest ever loss to India in the one-day internationals. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 25.2 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 17.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 88%, while in the evening it stood at 77%. The forecast, moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. By saving and preserving thousands of plant varieties of India, we will save humanity and the world, says President Draupadi Murmu. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurates multiple critical infrastructure projects across the states and union territories. State-level Students' Science Seminar 2023 on the topic Millets, a superfood or a diet fad, held at Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides. And Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia urged farmers to practice alternative methods of farming and gradually decrease use of chemical fertilizers. And that's all we had for you in today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.